In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a range of cells in Excel using VBA. We'll walk through the process of creating a simple VBA macro that copies a group of cells from one location and pastes it into another. This is a great way to automate repetitive tasks in Excel and save time, especially if you work with the same actions over and over again. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to use VBA. Make sure you're in the correct file before moving on, since the macro will be added directly to that workbook. Next, open the Visual Basic editor by pressing Alt and F11 on your keyboard. This will take you into the VBA environment where you can create and manage macros for your workbook. If this is your first time here, don't worry. You only need a few basic actions for this task. In the Project Explorer, find and select your workbook, then go to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Module. A new module will appear, along with a blank code window. This is where your VBA procedure will go. Now create the VBA procedure by copying the code shown on screen and pasting it into the new module. If needed, pause the video so you can clearly read and enter the full code without rushing. It's important to place the code exactly as shown so the macro runs properly. After that, update the source range in the code. Replace A1C5 with the actual range of cells you want to copy. This tells Excel which cells should be included in the action. Be careful to type the range correctly, since even a small mistake can change what gets copied. Then modify the destination cell. Replace E1 with the cell where you want the copied range to be pasted. Keep in mind that this starting cell acts as the top left corner of the pasted data, so make sure there's enough empty space for the full range to fit. Once everything is set, run the macro. Click anywhere inside the copy range procedure, then press F5. This tells Excel to execute the code immediately. Finally, return to your worksheet by pressing Alt and F11 again. Check the sheet and verify that the selected range has been copied to the destination you specified. And that's it. You've successfully used VBA in Excel to copy a range of cells, and this same approach can be adapted for many other simple automation tasks.